resources.
Okay. Then we are having resource group. Let us try to understand what is resource group. So guys, resource group is a collection of Azure resources like virtual machines, websites, database, applications, etc. So in Azure, remember this point, it is very important. You cannot directly create the virtual machines. Okay. If you want to create the virtual machines, you should have the resource group. First, you need to create the resource group. In this resource group, you will create the different resources like SQL, web application, virtual machine, etc. Okay. What is the why we need this resource group? Why can't we directly launch the virtual machines in AWS account? Why do we need the resource group? Let us try to understand. Let us see the advantages of resource group. So the advantages, management is simplified here with the resource groups. It simplifies the resource management. Okay, how it is simplifying the resource management? Let us try to understand. So guys, let us say our company or we are working on two different projects, Cisco project and HP project. Let us say Cisco needs two virtual machines, one database, and let us say one storage. And HP needs 5 virtual machines, 2 databases, and 5 storage. Now, if you create all these 4 resources in one place, will it be easy for you to manage them? Okay, let us say you want to do the billing for Cisco project. So you need to go to each and every virtual machine, database and storage, and you do search, okay, which resources belong to Cisco, then you will do the billing, right? Will it be easy for you if all the resources are in one place?
Yes.
Will it be easy?
No,
All of
no.
them are in one place. Okay. HP resources and Cisco resources, let us say all of them are in one place. Okay. Will it be easy for you to manage them for billing? Let us say you want to do the billing for Cisco project. So you need to find out, okay, what resources belong to Cisco project. Then you need to check how much bills each resource is generating. It will be very difficult, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So to manage the resources, okay, easily, what we do, we create a separate resource group for Cisco project, separate resource group for HP project, and we will launch, okay, the Cisco resources here in the Cisco resource group like SQL, web application, and virtual machine. And we launch the HP resources in HP resource group like SQL, application, and virtual machine. Okay, now if you want to check the bill of Cisco project, so you will go to the Cisco resource group and you can easily find the billing. Okay, for HP billing, it will generate a separate bill. So it is used. Okay, what we are doing here, we are classifying the resources based on the project. Okay, so it will do the billing aggregation, and every Azure resource must belong to a resource group. And as we have discussed, what we are discussing the
Resource group.
resource group. Okay, so billing easy. It makes it easy to manage the bills for different projects, and it will isolate. It will separate resource. You will get the separate resource group for separate project. And if you want to apply the policy, a separate different policy for Cisco project, you can go to the Cisco resource group and you can apply the policy. If you want to apply the policy for HP project, okay, different policy for HP project, you will go to the HP resource group and you will apply the different policy. So it will make you easy to apply the policies as well to different projects. So these are the advantages of resource group. Clear, guys? Any doubt, any confusion?
No.
Yeah.
So what is resource group here?
Segregating, like
Pardon?
segregating for the different projects.
Segregating for the different projects. Okay, our resource group, it is a collection of different resources. Clear?
Yeah.
So resource group, it is a collection of Azure resources like virtual machine, website, database, applications, etc. And these are the advantages. Let us discuss about some key points about resource group. So guys, resource groups organize Azure resources for easier management and mandatory association. So every resource like virtual machine, storage, etc. must belong to a resource group. It is mandatory to have the resource group. Without resource group, we cannot launch the resources. And it will aggregate the billing and exclusive membership. Each resource can belong to one resource group at a time. So guys, let us say we are having virtual machine 1 and we have added this virtual machine 1 to Cisco project resource group. So this virtual machine 1, it belongs to only one resource group. It cannot be a part of two resource groups. Okay, so each resource can belong to only one resource group at a time. Then resource groups themselves are cost free, and so these resource groups, they are for free. Okay, you will not be charged for creating the resource groups. And each Azure subscription can have up to 980 resource groups. So each subscription in Azure can have 980 resource groups. Okay, and each resource group can have a default limit of 800 instances per resource group. All right. If you delete, okay, let us say this is the Cisco project resource group. And inside this Cisco project resource group, we are having different resources like SQL, My App, and Virtual Machine. If you delete this Cisco project resource group, all the resources will be deleted. All right. So deleting a resource group also deletes all the resources within it. You can delete the resource group separately. You will, sorry, the resource separately. You will go to this resource group, and if you want to delete the virtual machine, you can delete it individually. It will not affect the other resources in this resource group. So you can delete the resources independently without affecting the entire resource group. And resources can be moved between resource groups. Let us say you want to, we are having virtual machine 1 in Cisco project resource group. So you can move this virtual machine from Cisco to HP. Okay. So resources can be moved between resource group. We'll verify it. I will show you. Then resources from different resource group can communicate. If you want to make the communication between the resources of these different resource groups, you can make them communicate as well. Now guys, let us do the lab. In this lab, what we will do, we will create two resource
Group.
groups. Okay, and we'll assign the same names like Cisco project and HP project. After creating these two resource groups, we will launch or we will create the resources on both the resource groups. So which resource we are going to create in our first lab? We will create the storage account. Okay, because if you do not save anything, you will not be charged. So we are going to use some resources, okay, where you will not get charged. Okay. Now what we will do? You will create the storage account on Cisco project resource group and HP project resource. So different, okay, different storage group for Cisco project, different resource group for HP project. After creating that, we will move a resource. Okay, let us move the Cisco resource to HP resource. Okay, so we'll see that as well, how to move the resources from one resource group to another resource group. So before that, let us create the, okay, this will be our first step. We will create two resource groups. So let us go to the Azure portal We'll go to the home page. And guys, if you see on the home page, you will see different options: virtual machine, subscriptions, resource group, storage account. Okay. And if you go to this portal menu, under this portal menu also, you can see the resource group. So under portal menu, you can click this option resource group. Okay. And you will get the home page here of resource group. And under this resource group, we need to create two resource groups here. Let us select the option create, and under which subscription you want to create the resource group. So we are having only one subscription, that is free tier. Under free tier, we will create the resource group. And what should be the resource group name?
Cisco project.
Cisco project. Okay, and you can select the region as well. By default, it has selected US East. Okay, and you can select the regions also. Let us say I want to create this resource group in Asia. Okay, let us say East Asia. Now, after that, you can click next here. And if you click next here, you need to provide the tags. Okay, guys. So what is the use of tags? Tags are used to add some additional information to the resource group. Okay, so apply tags to your Azure resources to logically organize them in categories. A tag consists of key name. If you see, it is having the key name and it is having the value, and they are case insensitive. So you can use capital letters, small letters, it will work. So tags are used to identify the resources. It will add the additional information to the resource group. It is optional. So let us provide the tag name here. Let us say name, and let us say the name is Cisco project. You can provide the name like who is the manager. You can add multiple tags. Let us say the manager is Bill. All right. So you can add the tags to easily recognize, okay, to add the information to the resource group. After that, we'll click next. Now, validation pass. So it will validate the things. So when the validation is passed, then only you can move forward. If it is not passed, you need to make some changes. So our validation is passed. Then we will select this option create. Now still it is validating. Okay. And if you go to the notification bell here, you can see it is saying that resource group created. Now creating resource group. It is not created yet. It is creating the resource group in subscription free tier. Succeeded. It is saying that it is succeeded. Sometimes it will show you, right? Resource group is created, but still it is creating it. Okay. Now you can see the Cisco project is created. Now let us create another resource group. And let us create HP project. And where we want to create it? What was the zone we have selected, guys?
East Asia.
East Asia. Then tag, and you can provide the name like project HP manager John. And you can add some other tags also. Based on your requirement, you will add the tag to provide the information. Then review and create. So it is the validation is passed. Then we will select this create option. It is validating the things. Now we are having two resource groups. Okay, HP project and Cisco project. Under these two resource groups, we need to create the resources. So let us go to Cisco project. Okay, and under Cisco project, you can see we don't have anything here. Okay, now we need to let us verify the HP project also. We'll go to HP project. Okay, we don't have any resource here in this HP project as well. So we need to launch one resource in these two resource groups. We'll go to home page. under home page. Okay, let us create the storage account. Okay, what is this storage account? What is the use? We will see each and everything in detail in our coming classes. We are just seeing how to launch the resource in the resource group. Okay, so let us select the storage account here. And you can search for the storage account here also. You will get the storage account. You will select this option. Now, here you will select the first option is to create the storage account. Storage account, then create. Let us say we are creating this storage account for Cisco. So we need to select the resource group as well. So you will see all the resource groups here you have created. We have created two resource groups, Cisco and HP. So let us create this resource in Cisco project. Okay, then we'll click next. And just ignore the other settings. We'll go with the default settings. We'll discuss later what is the encryption, data protection, tags. Again, tags, you can add the tags to the storage account also. Then we will click review, and it is saying that the validation failed. Required information is missing or not valid. So let us go back.
We'll type.
Let us see what is the problem here. Okay, account name. The account name should not be empty here. So let us say Cisco storage. So we did provide the account name. All right. Cisco storage account is already taken. Cisco storage 1. All right. It is also taken 2. It should be unique, guys. Okay. Now let us click next. Networking, data protection, encryption, tags, review. All right. And we'll click options, create here. Now you can see in the notification, we have got this message submitting the deployment template for resource group, and it is in process. So deployment in progress. We need to wait for few seconds. So what is the status here? Deployment is in progress. It will take some time. And you can see under notifications, we are having resource group. So we have created the resource group first. So you will see everything in the notification. So these resource groups, they were created. Deployment succeeded. Okay. And let us go to the resource, or let us go to the resource group, and we'll see whether this resource is there in the resource group or not. It is not showing up. It will take some time. Now you can see it is showing up. So we are having the Cisco storage 1.2 under the Cisco project. Let us create another storage account, and we will launch that storage account. You can see we have got the notification also. And so you will get the notification for each and every event. Now, this notification says the subscription free trial has remaining credit. It is having this much credit. Okay. Now, let us go to the storage account and let us create another account. Okay, under free trial subscription. And this time we will launch it in HP project. And let us say the account name is HP storage account. It is already taken. It should be unique. Okay, it should be unique in Azure. So HP storage account 1. Then we'll click next, 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 and it is validating. Now we can create it. So initializing the deployment, submitting the deployment, you will get each and every thing. You will get the complete status in this notification. Okay, deployment is in progress. So it will not make everything available immediately. You need to wait for few seconds. Now the deployment is complete. Deployment succeeded. Let us go to the resource group. Under resource group, we'll go to HP. Okay, under HP, we are having the HP storage account. All right, guys. So this is how you will create the resources under the resource group. Clear, everyone? Any doubt, any confusion?
No.
Others, Mustafa, Asrar, Mahmood, Salman, any doubt?
No,
I
no.
don't have it.
All right. And you can guys delete the resource group, okay, from this option. And if you want to delete the resource, so you need to click the resource. Under the resource, you will have this option delete.
Sorry, you said we can move. Also, we can move it from here. The move button.
Yes, yes, I will show you. We will see, okay, how to move the resource from one group to another group. Okay. So this is our third step. What is
Can
our
we link? Can we link that storage to other storage?
storage to another storage? I didn't get you.
I mean, can we link it between the
No,
tourism
no,
group?
no. It will be the part of only one resource group. You can move it.
You cannot pair it with another
No.
resource.
You can make the communication between two resource groups. Okay. Clear?
Okay. Communication, you mean between, like, for example, two very
Like virtual machines, they can communicate. Okay, but the resource, okay, it will be in one group only.
so
Alright.
like let's say we have two storage in two different places.
Mhm.
The communication between the storage or load balance between them cannot be happen.
We can make it. Okay, we can do it. We can do the load balancer as well. Load balancing. Yes.
Okay.
All right. But one resource will be the part of only one resource group.
Okay, got it. Yeah.
Okay. Now, guys, let us move the resource from one group to another group. So let us say we want to move the Cisco storage to HP storage. So we'll select the Cisco storage. We'll go to the Cisco storage, and we are having this move option. Okay, you can move it to another subscription, or you can move it to another resource. So let us select the second option. Okay, so where do we want to move? we need to select the destination here, HP project. Then we'll click next. So HP should have 2 storage accounts now. So it is checking whether these resources can be moved or not. It will check the what do you say, the compatibility. Then only it will move the resource from one group to another group. It is taking time. It will take time. And guys, we are having the log options. If you want to see more events, so you can go to the activity log. So let us see the activity logs. You can go to activity logs and you can see all the logs here. Okay, let us see the status here. We'll go to the HP account. So it is a storage account, right? We need to go to the resource group. So still it has not moved. All right. Deployment is successful. It is saying the deployment. Okay, let us see it is moving or it will give the error. So it has moved. That is why we are getting the error. It will take some time. So you will see both the accounts in HP group. After few seconds. Obviously, it has done the auditing. Let us go to the notification. Let us go to Cisco again. Select the storage. Move. All right. So it will take some time. We need to wait. It is taking longer than you. Again, anyhow, you will see this different accounts in the same group. All right. Let us check one more time. Or let us go to HP and let us move this resource from HP to Cisco. So again, it is checking whether these resources can be moved or not.
I have a question here. When you selected it, I saw there is another thing. So you can move it to the another subscription.
Yes.
So so if you remove it to say if it was to move it, if it's coming from different subscription, then you make it in the same
The subscription will be there in the same account, right? So
okay, and then you can move it to the different
subscription.
resource group?
Yes, we can.
Oh, okay. So, but can you if you have two different group and each one different subscription, you can move between the resources?
Yes, yes. Can.
Oh, okay.
So again, it is checking. It will take some time. We need to wait. We need to have some patience. So it is validating the things. The validation is pending. First it will validate, then it will move. Okay, so you are getting the concept. You can see validation succeeded. We'll click next. And I understand you need to check this option. Then you will select move. Now it has started moving the resource. So we are moving HP storage account to Cisco. Cisco will have two accounts.
So you will get charged when you move resources?
No.
So let's check your credit 15,800.
This is what I have got. Okay.
I got it. So this is the $200. So let's see if it's, I mean, charging whenever you create moving resources.
Yeah, let us see.
So and where you can see the charge of that in the notification, or there is another billing
The billing process is there that we will see in our advanced class.
in advance. Okay. Oh. And the billing, only the administrator, you said, only can
Yeah,
account check it.
account administrator.
Account administrator, yeah.
Okay. So moving resources complete, successfully moved. Okay, so let us go to the Cisco Resource Group. It should have two storage account. Okay, you can see HP storage account is also moved to Cisco project. Clear, guys?
Yes.
Any doubt, any confusion?